Are you ready to feast during the holidays before you start your New Year plan to get back in shape? I know I am, although I did kind of start a semi-cut. Hi, this is me, Bonnie. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips to minimize fat gain before feasting, holiday eats, or just going out to dinner. Number 1, eat mainly protein throughout the day because it helps keep you the fullest, and hopefully that means you will eat less junk later on because you're kind of full. And if you're going out to eat at a restaurant, definitely focus on protein first because a lot of times it's almost impossible to reach your ideal target protein requirements unless you're eating at a churrascaria or something. Number 2, look at the menu ahead of time and view the items in eyes of estimated calories and or macros, protein, carbs, and fats. Number 3, simply do intermittent fasting and save this huge calorie buffer to eat whatever you want at your dinner, event, etc., but not all you can eat type of buffet eating, which I actually did recently go to. Interesting what some of you voted. All I can eat is a lot. Fun fact, I actually got recruited for a competitive eating reality TV show in the past. Unfortunately, it was timed at 100 minutes of eating, and if you really want to eat all you can eat, it's better to go with 2 people instead of 6. Some people were full and okay, but my girlfriend Rose and I were not. You'll see our eats here. Number 4, prioritize protein first and then fats for taste. Lastly, carbs. And 5, lastly, just enjoy yourself and don't worry about it too much. Just go back to your normal eating the next day or healthier non-restrictive eating. Do not starve yourself. Do not severely restrict yourself. It is not necessary. And depending on the person, sometimes that approach will actually cause you to overeat or get into a yo-yo dieting cycle. Just get right back on track. I usually do intermittent fasting when I go out to eat so that I can eat everything and anything that I want, but I do first try to focus on dishes with more protein, and pretty much anything that looks interesting or unique on the menu, I order. But if I'm short on protein, I don't purposely try and eat more protein just to hit my ideal protein amount for the day. Because when you eat more protein, it's not going to help if you've already eaten too many calories. Just like if you eat too many healthy foods, regardless if it's just broccoli, which will make you bloat, by the way, if you eat too much, you'll still gain fat because you're eating too much. Here's some footage from a fancy schmancy Japanese restaurant called Zuma in New York City of us eating, literally a video of us eating. I wanted to start an Eat Not Diet restaurant series, but oh boy, this video took a while because there's so many devices and recording audio and visual, so next time I'm definitely going to simplify it. But let me know in the comments if you'd like to see videos of us eating cool eats at new New York City restaurants. And in this video in particular, I didn't really eat that much, plus it was a little pricey, but I generally do eat a lot. We always joke, my girlfriend and I, Rose, that we'd be millionaires if we had $1 for every time a waiter said, "You know that's a lot of food, right?" Here we got the Restaurant Week maki set. I think this is spicy tuna and some sort of avocado. Looks good. This looks amazing. This is their special toro. And I forget what else is in there, but it's, I think, truffle sauce. This is the yellowtail sashimi with green chili relish, ponzu, and pickled garlic. The sliced sea bass sashimi with yuzu, truffle, and salmon roe. All right, first I'm going to start with this yellowtail sashimi. See how this tastes. Very flavorful. I always like to rate things out of 10, so I would say that is 7. Yeah, both of veggies. So, ooh, yummy, yummy. This was definitely my favorite. The special one, no? It's a sashimi too. All right, now, this sea bass, which is what I actually ordered. The other one was my husband's. Oh, you have a coating now? Just getting my first reaction. Really, really flavorful. And now let's look at this salmon roll here. Ooh, this is pretty good. It's like very interesting, like seaweed. I mean, not seaweed. What am I talking about? Eggplant. Thing here. Oh my god, that's amazing. Did you like the sea bass or the yellowtail better?
I like the sea bass more.
I agree.
I like the yuzu, it's refreshing.
chef's maki special. I think this was spicy tuna. A little bit of this. I like it, tastes good. I just had so much sushi. I just had sushi gari last week. This is just avocado. Not bad. Clearly doesn't have any sushi or fish in it, but a little spicy kick. I'm really excited to try their special maki. Okay, now this is their special maki roll. The fatty toro, that is torch, and something truffle. Anything truffle is amazing. So, oh my god. That's definitely the best thing I tasted so far. I give it an 8. I mean, it's pretty good. A lot of flavor combinations. Oh, how could I forget? Compliments of the chef. This shrimp tempura with some sort of chili tofu, I think. I like it. Oh, it's like chili wasabi. I try to stay away from fried stuff. I like fried. In the past, I loved everything fried, like fried calamari. Definitely loved the shrimp tempura and the rock shrimp tempura. Forgot one more thing, miso soup. So usually I'm not a huge fan of miso soup. I like the salad better with the spicy peanut dressing. Okay. I mean, it's what I think of when I think of miso soup. So another thing with my calories, I'm a big believer in not like eating things I don't think are worth my calories. And since I'm not a huge miso soup fan, I'm going to save my calories for food and dessert. And generally I like to eat my calories and not drink it because you can drink so many calories and it just adds up. So I'm actually going to give this to my husband.
We need the entrees to come.
Waiting for the entrees. This is like appetizer. All right, like this is the 5-ounce skirt steak with shisho chimichurri. Wonder how that tastes. The black cod marinated in miso wrapped in boba leaf. And this here is the spicy beef tenderloin with sesame, red chili, and sweet soy. 24-ounce bone and ribeye with shaved truffles. Ooh, that looks amazing. All right, so here's our entrees, chimichurri steak, the cod, the ribeye with truffle. Oh my God, look at that. Beef tenderloin. This is actually premium Japanese Wagyu, all for Rose.
Now I'm gonna try some Wagyu. Japanese premium Wagyu A5. So I'm gonna try by itself first. That piece had a lot of fat. Yeah, but it was delicious. Alright. Now I'm gonna try this dip. I don't know what this is. Just a little bit. The meat itself is great quality. That was a creamy sauce that didn't add any value. I'm gonna try what this looks like, a sesame or some oil. Sauces are not necessary if the steak quality is excellent and it's cooked properly. I'm not gonna be tipping this into any other the sauces anymore. It's very nice and tender, very flavored with the sesame. It says spicy, but maybe a tiny kick. It's not very spicy.
First, I'm gonna try this miso cod. This is like one of my absolute favorite dishes.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. And we just got some grilled chili and sea bass, which the waitress said is a must try. All right. Oh yes. This is really good. Oh my God. My initial reaction is I want to give it a 9 out of 10. I may also be biased because this is like my favorite dish, right? So I would definitely say 8.5 or 9. Really, really good.
Yeah, you like the fish?
Try the miso cod. Okay, how does that taste? You like that one? Yeah? I'm gonna try this chimichurri with what was this, like Japanese chimichurri? Oh my gosh.
kids
I
can.
gotta try this sauce again. It's like lime flavoring. What do you think makes this a Japanese chimichurri?
It's a Japanese restaurant.
Other than that it's a Japanese restaurant.
I'm gonna grab some of the bone-in ribeye. This is the bone-in ribeye, medium rare, nice and crisp outside, which I wish I could mimic. So the quality is excellent, but I think I cook it better. It needs like rosemary and thyme and like garlic or something. I got lemon. The butter's not flavorful. I'm gonna eat it anyway. I like it.
I'm gonna try this ribeye with truffle. Oh my gosh, ribeye with truffle. Take this. Am I supposed to put some salt on this, right? A little too much salt. Too much salt. I'm gonna have to try it again with a little less salt. And this truffle, actually I want to try this truffle by itself. Cleanse the palate. These are some big pieces of truffle, I must say. No salt. It should taste it by itself, no? Alright, a little bit of salt needed. Definitely a quality cut of beef for sure. I agree with Rose, it could use a little more flavor. Okay, if I'm going to give some ratings now, I would say that the ribeye is like 7.5. 7.5 because the quality is definitely a really good cut. Not higher because it's missing the flavor bomb. The chimichurri steak, actually, I really love it. It's really well done. I'd say I give it an 8. And we still have yet to try this grilled chili and sea bass. All right, this is still my favorite. I'm totally digging into this. Let's try the other fish. Does she have a reaction? Which one does she like better? She likes it all. Oh, so wait, Rose, how did you like your Wagyu?
I mean, yes, it's work. It's a patty, but I don't normally eat this type of beef. So it's really about the sausage. It's really the juicing itself, flavorful. These are useless. You want to use that for the ribeye.
Oh, yeah, I want to try these sauces. Wait, you don't really know what the sauce is?
I don't want the sausage.
Oh, yes, totally, I want the sausage. She says the Wagyu is so good, she doesn't even need the sauce. I'm going to try this. Oh, it's like a wasabi. Actually, it tastes like a soup sauce. This one is, oh, I like this one. I don't know what this is, but this is amazing. Creamy. I love it. That's why I like it. This is a creamy sauce. I love anything creamy.
I like fries.
This is like, I feel like I want to call it the soup sauce, like a miso soup sauce. Oh my god. This makes the steak a million times better. Okay, now I'm going to try this grilled chili and sea bass. Ooh, it looks so flavorful. Not bad.
Chili and sea bass.
It's like chili and ginger taste. Feels like a very traditional Asian dish. Not bad. I have to say I like the miso better, but it is well done. If I had to rate it, I would rate it a 7. I think it is well done. I think it's more of my personal preference in terms of flavors. Otherwise, I probably would give it an 8. One of my absolute favorite things, skin. Ooh, oh my god, look at this big piece of skin here. Amazing.
Is that a face on the
Oh my god, there's a face. There's a freaking like Japanese sumo wrestler on this thing. That's so cute. So this is milk chocolate sumo. Oh, that's why it's called milk chocolate sumo. This is gonna be my favorite thing ever. You guys all know I love chocolate mousse and mango. Oh my god, it's like my 2 favorite things in one dessert. This is so cool. Like, look at this guy. I mean, this is amazing. I'm in love with this sumo guy. This is a yuzu cheesecake with raspberry granita and black sesame. I love eating all my desserts with a fork, regardless of what it is. Let's try this this cheesecake first. Black sesame. Am I supposed to put the black sesame? Let me try the cheesecake by itself. Again, this like limey flavor. Oh my god. How could I miss the raspberry sauce? Holy Lord. That raspberry sauce is crazy good. And what's this bottom? What is the bottom made out of, Rose? Is this sesame bottom? Is that black sesame bottom? Oh my gosh. Very well done. This other black sesame thing here though, it's like super hard. Like, I don't know, this is like a hard cake. What is this? The hard cake part. It's crunchy. The crunchy part is good too. Oh, this is a very creative dessert. You know, I actually drink like black sesame soup when I was pregnant. Lots of nutrients. I want to give this a 9. Would you give it a 9? Oh my gosh, 9, 9 and 9.5. The dessert is amazing. The dessert is amazing here.
I feel like I might want to try another dessert.
Rose says she wants to try another dessert. Oh, she wants more. I'm gonna try this sumo guy. I'm gonna dig into his face here.
I'm not sure what that food is, but I'm gonna
Ooh, look at that. Can you see it? Oh. I love chocolate mousse. Oh my god. This is like my favorite dessert ever. They like put all my favorite flavors in one thing. Oh my gosh. Interesting surprise, guys. There's actually mango inside this sumo face. Oh! Wow. I am so impressed.
need more dessert, so I got this. This is roasted sweet potato ice cream. The yuzu cheesecake was probably the best of tonight's dinner.
Afterwards, we got my husband's favorite food, a 14-inch pizza. Meat lovers pizza with pepperoni, sausage, and bacon. And these are my abs the day after. Not as cut as the day before, but this was when I was really lean. So the next day I ate quote-unquote good lower carbs. I had my protein waffle, which is a usual almost every day, and organic peanut butter, Valencia peanuts, so they're grown above the ground, which means less pesticides, and half of a lean ground beef burger and lamb burger with an oozy egg on, I forget what kind of toast I was using this day, but I usually like to go for toast that has a lot of protein. And my favorite fruit, mango, and a usual snack, which is avocados, half an avocado on rice cakes. My favorite flavors right now is everything bagel and white cheddar cheese. And I love all sorts of nuts, especially cashews and pistachios. After day 2, my abs looked a little leaner, more cut. The fitness addicts out there could probably see the difference, otherwise you probably think it looks the same. The next day, I had carbonara, mango again, cookies and cream sorbet. Also had some Chinese leftover beef. And I still made some progress. So you can see after that day, I went down 0.8 pounds and my abs are still looking pretty lean. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. Please comment or like for the algorithm. Stay tuned, subscribe, and thanks for watching. If you've been going to the gym for years with little to no results and still don't have your ideal body, and you want to focus on the nutrition aspect because it is 80 to 90% of how we look, then check out my free training on how to change your body composition even if you're stuck by checking out eatnotdiet.com/peakbody.